Can you describe the landsmanshaft meetings?
You had your president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, uh, advisory board. Uh, we had cemetery ground. That was very important. So when you belonged to the lodge, you got a free plot. So you had cemetery ground. We even had a family corporation where if someone needed money to buy something and they didn't have it, you could borrow from the lodge at a very, very, very good rate. And so that was part of our family too. Most of the people uh, that my father bought his goods from, the meat people, the fruit and produce people, they were all Jewish. So they became part of our family as well. And so we were all very, very close. It was a good life.